And the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi has condoled the deaths and has assured of all help to the victims.
आज की चुनाव सभा को संबोधन करने से पहले मैं महाकुंभ में जो दुखद हादसा हुआ है उस हादसे में हमें कुछ पुण्यात्माओं को खोना पड़ा है, कई लोगों को चोटें भी आई हैं। मैं प्रभावित परिवारों के प्रति संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं।
Just the sheer scale of the congregation is mind-boggling. An estimated 400 million pilgrims dwarf the combined populations of the United States and Russia put together, creating a temporary metropolis of faith that astronauts can witness from space. Now, according to faith, Prayagraj, the holy site, is situated at the mystical confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna and also the now mythical Saraswati river that is believed to flow invisibly. Humanity's largest act of this spiritual devotion, of course, unfolds over a span of 45 days. Mahakumbh is a spectacle of a lifetime. So it was before the crack of dawn that the ash-smeared seers with their dreadlocks coiled atop their heads led the devotional march into the holy waters. Now, these guardians of Hindu faith, many of whom have spent decades in deep meditation, brandished their ceremonial tridents and also the serpent-staffed scepters. Their thunderous chants invoking celestial deities echoed across the vast tent city that stretches across 4,000 hectares alongside the riverbank. Now, the ritual bathing itself is believed to have some profound spiritual significance. Each immersion into the sacred waters at the confluence of these three rivers that is known as Sangam is believed to cleanse the sins that have been accumulated over lifetimes, with the merit multiplied manifold during the auspicious period. The holy men emerge from the frigid waters, their bodies glistening with the river sand and water that they apply as a sacred mark of purification, their eyes reflecting the divine ecstasy that draws millions to this ancient gathering. So as the authorities now investigate into the tragedy and strengthen the safety protocols across the 650-kilometer network of temporary roads, the spiritual fervor still remains pretty much undiminished. The Mahakumbh Mela stands as a living testament to an unbroken tradition spanning millennia where faith transcends human limitations and the material world briefly touches the divine in this moment. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.